case ya Phuke.
That's correct. About the Phuke case.
Yes, sir.
On the 7th of September.
I think it was right to the 29th of June.
Of June.
June, yes.
What was the reason for the postponement?
Legal aid and no bail.
No?
Legal aid and no bail.
It is written here, legal aid, no bail.
Appearance,
legal aid, no bail.
appearance for accused number 2. Who was it?
Kadi 22, no was no lawyer.
There was no lawyer on the 22. One and I'm mailing on 22.
After the matter has been remanded, were you present in court?
When I'm rather I do remand you case. Yes, I was there in court. It says you saw a car.
The J7 that was signed by the magistrate.
Magistrate.
If the accused person is not granted bail,
it was there.
was remanded to which was kept in custody to which prison?
I Pretoria North or Pretoria Morgue.
I do not remember whether it was Pretoria North or it was Pretoria Mort.
That is not a prison, it's a police station.
A prison, with a police station.
He didn't go to a prison, he went to a police station. As a lawyer at a police station.
Why was he not remanded in custody, in prison?
Kikabaka lying as a
I was actually calling over only Melate very pain away and I will carnally Nabia COVID. Nergas Hono home wage our prison, only Milan.
Well, like I said, there were cases that we were investigating, and because it was during the time of COVID, it was going to be difficult to try to get him out of prison. No one showed up with paying. Go with COVID, it doesn't get squads.
Is that on record? It's on record for the 22nd of June. The reason why he was not remanded to prison.
Police station.
There was a letter that we wrote asking the court to remand him to a police station.
Can we have that letter?
I'll check it in the charge sheet or if it is inside the docket. If Sofuni paper Gininda about what police station
Will I be wrong to say that letter is issued by the station commander upon request and upon receiving reasons why he should be kept more than 2 days at that particular police station?
Police station commander come around
gore kgoro e mo šetše police station e le lore le kwano ya station commander sa police station ya.
We as a division can also write that letter to the court with the understanding of the police station commander of that police station.
Yes, but I'm keen to know that order granted by the court to the satisfaction of your request as per the court records.
Ngiyakubona lekwalo le urengile ngwalo ke khoro le khona gore le ka mlatfatsa aga dula asai tongong abe go
ai le ka mo usually le dilo mo charge sheeting mara la date wa ke le bona.
Usually found in a charge sheet, but for that date I'm unable to find it. But it was issued.
But the conclusion is that it is not there because you can't find it.
Buruena, se reka fitela moso na gore le kwalo le wa le go na ka ora o lu ke
le bele le go na ka gore e ka se dumele go mo Komisha police station
it was there because it was impossible for the court to allow us to take him to the police station unless that letter is present. Yeah, but if paper in what the Nekon or any Bumikato would sometimes see the police station.
Okay. The 26th of October 2020.
26 October 2020.
The following day, he appeared in court on the 27th.
Kamramu Gadi 27,
27 October to be precise, 2020.
Illegally 27 October 2020.
Accused was postponed on that, but it was the first appearance of accused number 2 and number 1.
No, it don't appear in court on the same day.
All right. Accused number 2, let us stick to accused number 2. Accused number 2 appeared on the 27th of October 2020 in Boxburg Court.
Not for John Bedi, we are Coronia Boxburg, 27th October 2020. That is correct. Yeah.
To which date was he remanded to?
It was an I wouldn't know because I don't have a docket and it's a long time ago. Yeah, but I am quite a finger over a pet docket and food says
Are you in possession of Itachi for Boxburg Court?
Yes, I have it.
Let's look at the records for accused number 2's first appearance.
I really will never let us show what we do. Ule Tahaning Horong EU Lamato.
It was the date of first appearance 27/10/2020.
On the 27th of October 2020.
To which date was it postponed to?
Well, I put on the actually.
Bona chachite ngwetse mo engwetse musika o khelela stemba le mapisa intanzi ayom.
I see the church sheet says musika khelela stemba But I don't see, and I also see towards the Semapisa, but for Ntanzi, there is nothing.
No, ke so ra ke bone ne ke so a be tshwarelo gore ke ye mo fase
No.
mo itshoganyane.
No, sorry, it was written at the bottom. I wasn't seeing it. It is written there at the bottom.
What is the date?
Richard,
If I could push, I guess na ikawa ile 5 of March 2023. I'm not sure. But that
if I'm
is
not
it.
making a mistake, it must be the 5th of March 2023.
As a quick please, madam.
No,
The
no,
record
you
is
won't
there, it
follow
speaks for
what you
itself.
When you say it's there, it's where?
Where's the T?
It's Exhibit EE, my lord.
Exhibit
Exhibit EE.
EE.
Yes.
Is that the charge sheet?
Yes.
Okay.
The appearance is on page 4, my lord.
Page 4. Okay.
I think the witness is struggling to find the date. Thank you, Mr.
Are you aware of the appearances, Mr. Mngomezulu?
I'm aware, my lord.
Your colleague says the record is there. And it's self-explanatory.
It is, my lord.
And in terms of what's section 237, is it?
235. 235.
Right. It's evidence before this court, in other words.
The reason for the postponement?
Sorry?
There is a
postpone.
Okay, granted recording, not for bail. Court for serving indictment. Oh, it says they postponed 27/11/2020 for serving indictment, accused 1 to 5 in custody, no bail. I don't like you,
postponed to the 27th of November 2020 to Passport Court for serving of indictment.
Yes. Where was he remanded to? To which prison?
Wela ishwa Trongong Efi.
Valeria.
He was taken to Valeria. What is Valeria?
That's not a prison. It's a police
No,
station.
yeah, Azanga a prison.
No, he did not go to prison. So Azanga actually.
Do you have the letter from the station commander?
Unalilo kwalo out of post station commander.
Ya hopola velo wala ngolelo kwa court bale nyakile.
I remember there was such a letter because the court demanded it.
But what is the order in terms of after the letter has been submitted? What did the magistrate of that day ordered?
Kamra le essentially one of the wila fella are usancho kudirueng magistrate wa judge Lew.
No hopola ulumete or remishe Valeria.
I remember he or she agreed that he should be taken to Valeria.
Yes, but it does not specify. It's a record on its own, but it does not specify that the court has made such a ruling.
Aona mo bangwe le gore khoro ile ya fella ka ibuletse ka mo.
Nka se bele tsebo mo gare lo tsa court a ke dikwishishi ho tsebo la ba bolela bene.
No, I wouldn't know because I do not fully understand how the court operates.
All right. On the 1st of March 2021, when the matter was remanded for accused number 2, that's then he was remanded to Ramuchana prison in Rustenburg.
Ka di 21st January 2022 mlatofo tsa ila ishwa go Ramuchana prison.
The 1st of March 2021.
Ka di 1st January 2021.
I don't
remember whether I was present at court on that day.
Okay, let's move on. Now we're getting back to your evidence when you booked out accused number 2 to force Loras. On your way back, on your way to Force Loras court, you were phoned by Brigadier Gininda.
Brigadier Gininda. That is correct.
To take accused number 2 to Morocco police station.
Morocco police station. That is correct.
Where were you at that time when Brigadier Gininda, because I believe you were traveling from Pretoria North to Force Loras.
Pretoria North go Force Loras.
Centurion.
No, if I remember correctly, we had not reached Centurion. Centurion.
Which route were you driving at? Which freeway?
N1.
We're traveling on the N1. So some N1.
N1.
Yeah, N1 south facing Johannesburg.
We are on the N1 south facing Johannesburg. Some are N1 south, C, Bege, Johannesburg.
From N1 south to Johannesburg, from where you received the call. So, for you to reach Morocco police station, did you have to travel via Albertine?
Morocco. Albertine.
Because N1 splitter. N1 on the other side, you join the N3. You fit Albertine areas with.
Yes, because when it reached,
Midrand.
When it arrives in Midrand,
Cresta.
There's the one that goes to the side of Cresta and the one that goes to Johannesburg. And the one that goes to the left to go via Alexandra to go and join the N3.
So if you go to Morocco police station, do you have to use N17?
Yeah, Morocco police station.
From N1, do you have to join N17?
N17. No, say N17 is far. N17 would pull out. No, but the off-ramps of N17, you pass them as you go along.
If another witness said he was escorting you when you were traveling at N17, was he referring to the route you took to Morocco police
17 ikgole ka dumela.
No, I wouldn't accept. N17 is very far. I am Vume, I'll be N17 would.
All right. I need precisely the place where you waited for Buthelezi and Mapumulo when they were escorting you to Morocco. Where exactly in Albertine? If you said it's Albertine, but I heard saying Albertine. That's the reason why I'm talking about Albertine.
Kaoro orle no feels like Mapumulo Buthelezi. Yeah, was over really guy move.
Kopane le bona tsela o sepela N1 or N3.
When you travel on the N1 going on to the N3,
ya rogana gape tsela ya N3 Durban Vosloorus.
there is where the road splits again. One goes to Vosloorus and the other one says Durban.
And
the other side says Bloemfontein. There is another off-ramp right there going to Alberton. It is R59.
Yeah, so
So if we met them there on the Alberton off-ramp on our way to Soweto. Sasa anana bodapa kana kona imkwako gube nomkwako ngene Alberton tina sidwele Soweto.